Who does not like to look young and beautiful at all times? We do everything in our power to prevent signs of aging from showing. But for an anti-aging skincare routine to be really effective, it is very important that you start with it in your early 20s. An easy yet effective way of getting into the world of anti-aging skincare would be to try some DIY face masks. There are some effective anti-aging face masks that you can indulge into to give your skin the nourishment it needs to make it appear healthier and more youthful in no time. You don't even have to spend a lot of money for these face masks. You can easily make them using ingredients that are easily available and may also be present in your kitchen at this very moment. Yes, that is correct. We are going to make carrot and potato face mask, which is very effective in treating premature aging. Without further ado, let's get started. To make this mask, all you will need is carrot, potato, few inch turmeric powder, gram flour and honey. If you don't have honey and gram flour, then you can also skip it. But potato, carrot and turmeric powder is compulsory. First of all you have to do is clean potato and carrot. Then peel the skin of the potato and carrot. Then boil them until soft. Or you can also grate it to get juice from out of it. If you have boiled the potato and carrot, then mash them to form a smooth lump-free paste. Add turmeric to this paste and blend well. The remedy is ready. If you have simply grated potato or carrot, then you have definitely got juice out of it. All you have to do is add a few tablespoons of turmeric into the juice and then add honey and gram flour. You can also add honey and gram flour to the boiled mixture of potato and carrot. Either way, this remedy is beneficial. After then, apply this mixture all over your face and neck evenly. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with a gentle face wash and cold water. If you leave it for more than 10 minutes, then the mixture will dry in your hand or your face. After then, you have to stretch the face mask by using your hand. Using this DIY anti-aging mask every alternate day to see a major improvement in the appearance of your wrinkles and fine lines. You might wonder, why is carrot and potato good for our skin? Let us tell you. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies turn to vitamin A, also known as retinol. Carrots also act as antioxidant, which help repair cell damage. All in all, carrots play a major role in slowing down the aging clock. On the other hand, potatoes helps to gently exfoliate your skin, get rid of dark spots and even out the skin texture. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm the skin and keeps puffiness at bay. Similarly, turmeric is also very effective in treating premature aging. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, has been shown to possess powerful cellular protective properties which are attributed to its potent antioxidant effects. Turmeric intake is associated with a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline in humans. You can increase your curcumin intake by using fresh or dried turmeric in the kitchen or taking turmeric or curcumin supplements. Curcumin is the main active compound in turmeric. It may slow down your aging by activating certain proteins and protecting against cellular damage. Similarly, besan or gram flour works as a good skin tightening agent. It clears all the dust and dirt stuck in your skin pores and then tightens them. Another ingredient, honey, is the natural antioxidant that will help you control wrinkles and fine lines on the face. It will increase your skin elasticity, thus making it look youthful and glowing. So, after knowing all these benefits, you must use this remedy and see the result by yourself. You are going to definitely love it.